Welcome to my how-to video on how to activate and deactivate the child lock option on your Hotpoint Ultima Range washing machine. You can distinctly tell a Hotpoint Ultima Range washing machine by the fact it has this display in the middle. The child lock feature should be available on the WT960, WT940, WF860, WF840 and the WD860 washing machines and that washer dryer. So to activate it, you actually have to just turn on the machine, and you can actually press and hold about 1 second to turn it on. Now if you press any button at all, including the on off button here, it doesn't do anything. It just basically beeps at you and the child lock little icon flashes. So to turn it off, you just have to press and hold the child lock for 3 seconds until it goes off, and then you can actually change the program and select program. Same applies once you're in the program. When you're in the program, you can change options such as the spin. Just press and hold the child lock, then try to change the spin. Nothing can be changed, including the on off button. Deactivate, and you can continue turning down the spin, for example, cancel the program, or even turn the whole machine off. This child lock feature is actually very handy on this particular few models, unlike other machines with child lock, simply because when it's running, you're in the kitchen, oh my god, it's the first one I've actually ever done, but usually you can lean up against that and you end up turning it off. That's actually the first Hotpoint Ultima I've come across and it's not actually happened. So the child lock feature on this is very handy to have. So I hope you've learned something about your Hotpoint Ultima Washing Machine, and if so, please like my video. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful.